Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Krystal, and today we're going to be doing something that kind of scares me, kind of makes me nervous, kind of excites me. I know if you do your brows every day, almost all of us are looking for some way to make our brows a little bit quicker, make application a little bit faster. For me, my brows seem to take forever. I don't know if you feel me, but if you do, I might have a product that can help us out. Okay, so it's an Eyebrow Stamp Stencil Kit. All right, we're gonna try it out. This can be purchased on Amazon. I have mine in the color 03 Light Brown. I was contacted by this company and they asked me if I wanted to do a video and try out their product for you guys. And I was like, sure. I'm always down to test out a new cool product. And I've always been curious if these little eyebrow stencil kits are like a gimmick, or are they something legit? Is it something that we can use every single day, or, you know, just like I said, a gimmick? So we are going to test out this product. All right, in the box, we have the brow stamp, and I will have all of this stuff linked in the description box down below, as well as a discount code for you guys if you want to pick up this product and try it out for yourself. This is not an affiliate link. I do not make any money off of any of this. The discount code is just for you guys, a little gift if you want to try out this. Hopefully it works out. Okay, so we have some eyebrow like stencils here. It comes with 6 different styles. Okay, so I guess we have to figure out, whoa, the best style for the brow. Let me figure out which one to use and I'll be right back, guys. Okay guys, we're back. I think I found the stencil that works the best. We're gonna go with number 4. Okay, so that's what we're working with. She did tell me over email that when I'm pressing on the inside of my brow to go very, very lightly so it doesn't look dumb. Those were my words, not her words. She put it a lot more nicely. Okay, so it comes with this little guy. It's got like a little like angled brush and then a little spoolie. So what we're gonna do is we're just going to spoolie the brows, okay? All right, I'm nervous. All right, let me put my mirror here so I can see, kind of. Okay, guys, moment of truth. Do you wanna get a little closer? Okay. All right. We're gonna put this, let me use my big mirror to get it on. Okay guys, here we are. And here's the little poof. There's product inside the lid. It's like a powder. All right guys, here we go. I hope I'm holding this on here tight enough. I guess we can always clean it up. Okay, let me dip in, get a little bit more, and okay, now we're gonna lightly tap for the inside. All right, are we ready to reveal? What do we think? I'm not gonna lie, guys, look at it. That's not bad. I will say that I would do this before applying like your foundation and stuff, because I'm trying to get some like extra product on here. I feel like oh shit. I feel like I don't have enough. Okay. Let's try the other brow. Let's try the other brow. Okay, we got it on. Alrighty. We're going in. May have to clean these up a bit afterwards. I think this is going to be like a learning curve type situation. Okay. I don't hate it. I thought I was going to hate this. I don't hate it yet. Let me go back over this side a little bit. The color is a little red for me. I did get light brown and it is pulling a little bit more red. I don't know how I feel about the amount of product that you get. The product's on the inside of the cap. I don't know how I like the amount of product. Like, I don't know. Let me go over the right brow one more time. Okay, guys, be honest with me. What do you think? I think it's a fun idea to be able to put a stencil on your brow and fill it in. I definitely think this is a very helpful tool, especially if you're starting out not really doing your brows and you want to get into filling your brows. I remember when I first started filling in my brows and it was a mess. It did not look good. I don't know. I will say this, I don't love the tone of this. It is pulling a little red on my eyebrow. That is not a product problem. That is a color problem. You know what I mean? So I'm not going to fault it on that. I'm not going to 100% say this isn't a little gimmicky, but it is really easy and convenient that you can just like plop on the stencil and fill it in. You could also use these stencils with any other type of brow product as well. So I'm not gonna lie. Oh, another thing that it says you can do is you can use the product to fill in your hairline. Now, I will say I am not about to do this because though I do have dark roots, it is pulling really red and I do have blonde hair. So I am not going to be filling in my hairline, but that is an option for this. You can fill in your hairline as well. So that is a really cool, that's a really cool feature with this product. Like I said, I will link everything in the description box down below as well as the discount code, which is Krystal, Krystal, that you can use to get a discount on this product. So if this is something that you want to try out for yourself, you've been curious about, I definitely say it's worth trying out. Hey guys, okay, so I finished the rest of my makeup. I wasn't going to pop back on here about the Brow Stencil Stamp Stencil Kit thingy, but I wanted to. All right, so I will say alone by itself, I would probably not use this. I just cannot get my brows shaped the way I like them shaped with just this powder and a stencil. But with this as the base, I did use my regular brow pencil and I was able to fill in my brows and shape them up a lot faster than I normally do. So I would say by itself, this probably isn't going to be an amazing product, but in conjunction with your brow routine, like your favorite brow pencil or whatever, I think this would be good. Also, if you have really thick brows and you just like to shape them up a tiny bit, this would probably be great. As far as someone like me who does have sparse areas in their brows, I do need something a little bit more precise because you can just see the powder sitting on my skin. But I do not hate this product. I have it on right now. I just used a brow pencil and a little bit of brow gel. And as you can see, it looks really, really nice and really, really natural. So I'm going to have to give this like a 7 out of 10. Anyways, I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment before you go. And I will see you guys next time.